Здравствуйте! Our today's video will be devoted to praise phrases. So you will find out how to praise others and of course how to praise yourself, because really often we praise others and we forget to praise ourselves. But I think it's not good because only we know which words can cheer us up and make us smile. That's why it's really important not to forget to praise ourselves as well. There is a really common proverb in the Russian language: «Если сам себя не похвалишь, никто не похвалит». The literal translation is, if you won't praise yourself, no one will praise you. We use it in ironic way and apply it to those people who talk too often and boastfully about their achievements. But I think it's worth to think about this proverb because it's actually true. We have to praise ourselves at least sometimes and say nice things and compliments to ourselves at least sometimes. What do you think about it? Okay, so now let's check some praise phrases.
Молодец, молодец. This word means well done, and I would like to pay your attention that it applies to both men and women. So we say ты молодец, for example. You are well done. And some more words that mean the same, some more phrases. Ты большой молодец. Ты большой молодец. This one we use when we talk to men. And ты большая молодец. Ты большая молодец. This one we use when we talk to women. The next phrase is так держать. Так держать. Продолжай в том же духе. Продолжай в том же духе. Супер! У тебя это получилось. Супер! У тебя это получилось. Отлично! Ты сделал это. Отлично! Ты сделал это. This phrase applies to men, and this one applies to women. Отлично! Ты сделала это. Отлично! Ты сделала это. Я горжусь тобой. Я горжусь тобой. Ты делаешь успехи. Ты делаешь успехи. Ты делаешь большие успехи. Ты делаешь большие успехи. Ты отлично справился с этим. Ты отлично справился с этим. This phrase applies to men only, and this one ты отлично справилась с этим. Ты отлично справилась с этим. And this one applies to women. Это прекрасный результат. Это прекрасный результат. Отличная работа. Отличная работа.
Okay guys, so what do you think about this video? What do you think about these praise phrases? Do you like them? By the way, if you want to check some compliments in the Russian language, you can check this video. And there you will learn a lot of compliments in the Russian language, how to say compliments, how to give compliments, and how to respond to compliments. So, спасибо. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. And до встречи. Всего хорошего. Пока-пока.